Hello, dear Gerardo. I will make the machine working and show you video. Firstly, we select the design we want to embroider. For example, we want this one, and save the design. And this step is about to change the design direction, angle. If we don't need to do change, we skip this second step and come to the color change. This design has only one color, so we can select one color. If multi-colors, you can select a color according to the thread you put on the thread tension base. After that, we save the change. And then we select the frame. When we ship the machine for you, we give you all these frames together with the machine. So after you assemble the frame on the machine, you must tell the computer what frame you put. After select a frame, the machine will find the center automatically. And after that, we finish all the preparation steps. Then we come to the embroidery step. Move the design to make it embroider at the area we want. And after that, we can trace outline to check whether it will be embroidered at the area we want. After finish all these settings, we can press the start button and make the machine working.